I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got this. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Listen, that's spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness of reflection.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
Somehow I got to learn not to abuse it. Try to control it or take my ticket. I'll ride it high